Hi, this is Reuven Lerner. If you've been working with Python for any amount of time, then you've probably written your fair share of functions. But you might still be a bit unclear as to how to use some of the more powerful capabilities that functions have to offer in Python, such as splat args, double splat kwargs, and even more advanced techniques like storing functions in variables and passing them to other functions as arguments. That's where Weekly Python Exercise can help you. Now in its fourth year, Weekly Python Exercise has an established formula for helping you to level up your Python ability. On every Tuesday of the 15-week course, you receive a new problem along with PyTest tests. On the following Monday, you receive the solution along with an extended description of why and how I solved it that way. In between, communicate with other people in the cohort on our private forum, even sharing code and comparing notes. And of course, I have live office hours where you can ask me anything you want about the exercises or even Python in general. Weekly Python Exercise has proven itself to help people improve their Python. It can help you too. The next cohort begins on May 5th and will concentrate on functions. So if you want to level up your Python, improve your code, make it more readable and idiomatic, and even improve your prospects for a better Python career, join me. Learn more at weeklypythonexercise.com, where I answer lots of questions, offer free samples, and describe in more detail how the course works. Join me at Weekly Python Exercise. I hope to see you in the upcoming cohort.